Once your pre-exam setup is complete, you can now start your exam. To start, click the blue link labelled Go to CCL Test. A new tab will open with your exam, but please do not close the previous tab. In case you have any difficulties during the exam, you can refer to our chat window on the first tab. Our NAATI support staff will be standing by to help you out. When entering the exam, it is important that you read every instruction carefully. You will be given a sample segment at the start to practice the exam process. Take your time to be familiar with the buttons and actions required to successfully upload your answer. It should also be mentioned that on the example page, you can listen to your recorded answer by pressing the play button next to the recording buttons. This will allow you to make sure that your recorded answers will be uploaded correctly. Once you have completed the example segment, you can start Dialogue 1 of your exam. To listen to the segment, press the Start button on the middle right side of the web page. The segment will begin to play. When the segment is finished, you will hear a chime. That is when you start to answer. When you are finished, click Finish Attempts. Your interpretation will be automatically uploaded. When 100% is reached, click the Next button on the bottom right of the screen. Within each dialogue, you are allowed one segment to be repeated without penalty. Any further repetitions of the same segment or future segments within the dialogue will be penalised by the examiners. If you would like a repeat of the segment, press the Start button again and follow the prompts. When you have finished the dialogues, press Finish. After you press Finish, you will be shown a list of the dialogue segments. Please make sure every segment is marked Answered. If it says Not Answered, this means that the segment was not completed. To answer it, you can simply click on the segment. The site will navigate to the segment you missed. It is important to note that on each segment there is an attempts number. If the attempts says 0, that means the segment has not been completed. When you reach the end of the dialogue and all segments are marked as answered, click Confirm. This will seal the dialogue. You will no longer be able to access it. You can then proceed to Dialogue 2. Once you have finished Dialogue 2, click Finish. Once you have checked that every segment is marked Answered, click Confirm. This will seal the final dialogue. You can now close the second tab. Refer back to the primary tab and then select Finish Exam. You have now completed your CCL test. From the time of your completion, your results will be emailed to you directly in 4 to 6 weeks.